What men can do, women can do better. The praise has been controversial. Some women have gone ahead to prove it to be true. One of these women is none other than Saweetie. Rap music has always been associated with male artists until recently, when women rappers have risen to give compilation to their male counterparts. Early life and biography. Saweetie was born on 2 July in the year 1993. Those people know her by her stage name. She was born Dіaਮоntе Quіvا Vаlеntіn Narrer. She is of mixed origin, as her mother Trіnіdاd Vаlеntіn has a Chinese and Filipino roots, while her dad Јоhnnු Narrer is an African American. She is believed to be the only child to her parents who raised her in Sacramento, California. This is when she joined school for her early education before joining Merrіll F West for her high school studies. After high school, she joined San Diego State University, where she majored in communication and business. Later, she joined University of Southern California, where she finished her studies, graduating with BA in communication. Since she was 13 years of age, she began writing music, which after graduating, she decided to pursue as a career. Age, height, weight and body measurements. Being born on 2 July 1993, Saweetie is 28 years old as of today's date, 9th March 2022. Her height is 1.70 centimeter tall and weight is 64 kg. Personal life: husband, boyfriend, dating, divorce, kids. When Saweetie is still very young, not much is known about her personal life, as she came to limelight in early 2010s. She comes from a family of celebrities, starting with her granddad, who is a retired American footballer. Her other relative in her uncle Stanley Kirkbrell, who just like Saweetie is a rapper among other things. Her other relatives are her cousin Gabrielle Union, a famous American actress, and her cousin Zacchaeus, who is a music producer. In 2018, Saweetie hooked up with Quavo and the two started dating. Their relationship lasted for only 2.5 years, as in March 2022. Saweetie confirmed their breakup, citing unfaithfulness from Quavo as the main reason. Since then, she is not known to be in any relationship, as she takes time to heal. Career. As mentioned above, Saweetie developed interest in music while she was a kid, and by the age of 13, she had started writing her own songs. She began posting herself rapping her own composition in Instagram. Award and achievement. Her first award came in 2020, where she won an MTV award for Best Art Direction. In 2021, she won 2 awards. One during BET Hip Hop Awards and the other in MTV Europe Music Awards. Her latest award nomination was a 2022 Grammy Award. Net worth and salary. As young as she is, Saweetie has been very successful in her rap music career, making a good fortune through it. Besides the music, her business ventures have also added to her wealth, but we can say much of her earning is through music. As of March 2022, she is estimated to be worth $5 million. Though she comes from a well-to-do family, Saweetie chose her own career path and she has been a sensation to young people. Though young, she has not left fame got into her head, but rather she has gone to work harder, becoming even more successful.